Hey there, ever feel like your business is stuck in neutral or you're just another face in the crowd? Let's talk about a game changing move: posting daily content. Trust me, it can transform your business overnight. Picture this: fitness influencer Clothing started sharing daily workout challenges during the pandemic. Her YouTube channel blew up. By consistently providing value, she built a massive, engaging community. And one of my favorite vloggers, Casey Neistat, before he blew up and started getting millions of views, he made it a thing, a promise to himself that if he posts every single day a daily vlog, and that literally also blew up his YouTube channel. When I started my business, Powwow Times, I knew I needed to do what these people were doing. And so I took all the content that I recorded over the summer and I started posting every single day. And that allowed us to reach millions of people with our content, generate business in creating events, powwows, live streaming. All our services are out there and eventually got me to perform at the Super Bowl. So posting daily really works for your business. So let's dive into three secrets to make daily posting work for you. Secret number one: find a social media platform that you enjoy. If you love short videos, dive into TikTok or Instagram Reels. If you prefer writing, you could use LinkedIn. That might be your spot. The key is to choose a platform where your target audience hangs out and where you will enjoy spending a lot of your time. Secret number two is commit to posting daily. Start small. Not every post needs to be groundbreaking. Share behind the scenes moments, quick tips, or curated content. To stay consistent without stress, batch your content. Spend one day a week planning and creating posts. And don't forget to engage with your audience. It's about starting conversations, not just broadcasting. All right, secret number three: create offers for your growing market. As your audience grows, turn your followers into customers by offering value. Think freebies, discounts, or exclusive products. Tailor your offer to their needs based on feedback from your daily posts. Keep it simple and clear to encourage action. Now imagine where your business could be in 30 days with daily content, 60 days, 90 days, more engagement, more followers, more sales. If you start small, stay consistent, and let your content showcase the problems you solve, the education you offer, and the fun side of your business, before long, you'll have a thriving community ready to support your journey. So if you're ready to start, let's do this together. Subscribe for more tips to grow your business and join our community for support and inspiration. Drop a comment below. What's your first post going to be about?